The MBYULO Cordless Vacuum Cleaner features a powerful 400-watt motor that provides exceptional suction power, making it ideal for cleaning carpets, hardwood floors, tiles, pet hair, and crumbs. You will appreciate the 50 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning time, which allows you to clean your entire home without needing to recharge the battery. Thanks to its V-shaped roller and edge cleaning design, this vacuum cleaner effectively prevents hair tangling and ensures a thorough clean on all types of floors. The ultra-clear LED color screen allows you to monitor the vacuum status in real time, including battery level and suction mode, ensuring you can maintain it easily. With an 11-level filtration system, including an extended H13 Hepa cartridge, this vacuum cleaner captures 99.99% of dust particles, promoting a healthier home environment. MBYULO's 7 days a week, 24 hours a day customer service ensures that you will receive prompt and effective support for any product maintenance needs.